Welcome to ChemDoodle Shorts. I'm Mary, your ChemDoodle Pro. Let's learn about naming single substituted cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. They are solely made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms connected by single bonds. The carbon atoms form a ring-like structure. The general formula of a cycloalkane is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbons. To name an unsubstituted cycloalkane, include the prefix cyclo before the name of the parent chain to denote a ring. The name of the parent chain is derived from the number of carbon atoms in the ring, followed by the ending -ane. Here we have cyclohexane, a saturated ring of 6 carbons. What if the cycloalkane has a substituent? Now we have cyclohexane with a methyl group. In IUPAC nomenclature, we number the carbons such that the substituents are assigned to the lowest numbers possible. To number the carbon atoms in ChemDoodle, select the View menu, Unique IDs, on Atoms, IUPAC locants. With only one substituent, the carbon attached to that substituent is always numbered 1. In this case, this carbon is 1. Now, this carbon is 1. Regardless of the location of the single substituent, it will always be on carbon 1. Numbering in this way ensures that the substituent is assigned to the lowest number. Let's name this molecule. To name a molecule in ChemDoodle, select the molecule and press the Attach Updating Label button. In the pop-up, be sure that IUPAC name is selected and press Add. This molecule is 1-methyl cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is the parent chain, with a methyl group on carbon 1 as a substituent. You may encounter methyl cyclohexane as another name for this molecule, where the 1 position of the methyl group is not explicitly stated, but assumed. Be sure that an alkyl substituent is not too large or complex relative to the ring, or the substituent will then become the parent chain. If cyclohexane, a 6-carbon ring, has a heptyl 7-carbon substituent, the name is not 1-heptyl cyclohexane. Because the heptyl group has 1 more carbon atom than the ring, the linear alkyl group becomes the parent chain, and the ring becomes the substituent. So this molecule is 1-cyclohexylheptane. The parent chain is the linear heptane, with a cyclohexyl substituent, indicated by the ol ending. What if the cycloalkane and linear alkyl substituent both have the same number of carbon atoms? Let's begin again with cyclohexane, which is a ring of 6 carbon atoms. Connected to it is a 6-carbon chain, or a hexyl group. Both groups have the same number of carbon atoms, 6 each, so which is the parent chain? The cycloalkane wins, and the linear alkyl chain is the substituent. This molecule is 1-hexyl cyclohexane. The cyclohexane ring is the parent chain, with a linear hexyl group attached to it. To name a cycloalkane with only 1 substituent present, simply begin numbering the ring at the substituted carbon. This allows the carbon with the substituent to be assigned the lowest number possible. Remember to check that an alkyl substituent is not longer than the cycloalkane. If so, the linear alkyl group becomes the parent chain, and the cycloalkane becomes the substituent. Thanks for watching ChemDoodle Shorts.